As this is Steph, and this video teach you how to use the machine when you install and everything is ready. Now we turn on the machine. And with here. All the language here can be English, and the control panel can be English also. First, this is the initial calibration. We need to, okay. This is the initial calibration. Now we put the fire in our machines. Here is the menu and fire management. Copy file, U-disk file, and these three. This is for outer cut, and this is for the big knife, and this is small knife. One load, one save, big knife, small knife. Okay, then we're back. Here is a load file. Load file. Like this is outer confirm. You can see this is the outer file. Then we need to make the X, Y, and Z axis calibration. Now we change the tool to this outer cutting. Now we manually move the diameter tip as close as to the top surface of the material. Like this is flat, you can move at here. But if something like this, maybe not flat, you have to move the tip to here, the toppest. Now I move here. Just as close, and it still can run, you see? And then you do X, Y, Z calibration for outer, like this. Yes. Change to Y. Yes. And Z0. Yes. And then you can start. You can see it went to outer shape. For outer cutting. You see it making an outer cutting. We'll show you the video when it's finished. You can see the finish here. Working time. Now the outer is done. This is the outer. And then we need to change to a big knife. We change it to here. Now we have changed the bit to a big knife. And this is the first step, outer cutting. Now we need to use the big knife for the cut. You need to manually move the big knife to the lowest part of the surface. Like this surface is flat, you can move almost touch this surface. But if it's like this, the lowest part will be this. You will move the X-size to this. Change to the big knife. No need to change the Y X-size. Just change the Z X-size. We still move to as close as you can cut, not touch, almost touch, but not touch. And then we need to first fix up tool. Okay. Need to press 1. Then we need to change the file to our big knife. Let's change to the big knife and the calibration. Touch here and for the calibration. It will touch. No worry, it will touch. Then the first calibration is done. We change to the file. Load file. Load file will be this. This is the big knife file. Okay. Let's start. It will for the big knife cut for the details. Making details. Because I'm using a similar material but soft stone, so I make the speed 100. You can adjust the speed to here. And it's carving details. Now this is a big knife and the finish is 43, speed 100. This is the details. Now the big knife already 90. You can change here. Change here to check the process. Shift. Now the big knife is finished and we clean. This is a big knife make, and we'll change it to a small knife. We've changed it from the outer knife, big knife, and now to the smallest knife. Every time you change the tool, the distance, here the distance you can adjust any you want. after calibration, it will automatic know where it cut, where should it cut, and then we start the smallest knife document. Here we menu, file management, load file, and this is the smallest knife. And now here calibration. Now we need to choose aft chain tool. First, fix up tool is for the big knife. Aft chain tool is for the small knife, chain tool. Give a touch. Then we can start. Okay, this is the final small knife cut. Small knife. Finish. This is a small knife and now it's shipped. 24 for the small knife cut. After the small knife, the finished product is like this.